In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center text on a page vertically and horizontally in Microsoft Word. This simple yet powerful formatting technique can enhance the presentation of your documents, making them look more polished and professional. Whether you're preparing a cover page, a flyer, or just wanting that perfect alignment for visual appeal, centering text can make all the difference. Let's dive in and get started with Microsoft Word. First, you need to open your Microsoft Word application. If you already have a document open, great. If not, just go ahead and open the document where you want to apply these changes. Once you have your document ready, identify the text that you need to center. Highlight this text by clicking and dragging your mouse over it, ensuring it's selected. This is the crucial step that tells Word exactly which lines need to be centered. Next, let's shift our attention to the top menu options. You'll need to click on the Layout tab. This tab houses several options related to the page setup and text alignment, and it's where you'll find the settings we need to adjust. Once you're in the Layout tab, look towards the right side of the options available and find Page Setup. A small arrow or button next to Page Setup will bring up a dialog box with more detailed settings. Within this dialog box, click on the Layout tab. This is where you can adjust the vertical alignment of your text. In the Page Setup section, you should see a box labeled Vertical Alignment. Click on this drop-down menu and select Center. This action ensures your text is equally distributed from the top to the bottom of the page, achieving vertical centering. Finally, to ensure your text is also horizontally centered, while your text is still selected, navigate back to the main Home tab. Look for the alignment options, typically symbolized by a cluster of horizontal lines of varying justifications. Click on the Center Align icon, which usually depicts lines centered in the button symbol. By doing so, you're confirming that the text aligns to the center both vertically and horizontally. And there you have it. Your text is now perfectly centered on the page. As a quick tip, always double-check your formatting in Print Preview mode to ensure everything looks exactly how you intend it to before finalizing your document. This technique not only gives your documents a sleek look, but also makes the content more readable by focusing the reader's attention. Don't forget to save your document to preserve these changes. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating beautifully centered documents in Microsoft Word.